YouTube, welcome back. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 3 tips to make even more money donating plasma. Alright? So the first tip is kind of obvious. It's you have to be consistent with your donating schedule. That means you can't miss a day in a week. So for example, if you donate on a Tuesday, you have to come back on a Thursday because you have to wait that 24-hour period in between. But think of it this way: if you miss just one session, that's $30. That's gas money, That's a cell phone bill. Whatever, just be consistent. So that's pretty obvious. I won't expand on that anymore. But that tip rolls over to the next one. Take advantage of your monthly bonuses. So each branch has company has their own bonus program per month. So for example, the recent one that I did was if you hit all your days in a month, you'll get an extra $75 on top of what you made already. I mean, who can't use an extra $75? It could range from $50 to $100 bonus. So that's why be consistent. That will in turn give you all those bonuses. Yeah, those extra bonuses. Also, last tip. This is like the sauce. This is like the secret sauce. Take advantage of your buddy referral program, or whatever your branch calls it. Take advantage of that. And for example, my branch, they have this buddy system where they'll give you a business card, you write your name on it, and you give it to somebody who hasn't been there yet, and you'll get $75 after they've donated their first 3 times. And you can do this over and over again with new people. So think of it this way: you refer 10 new people a month, and they all go through their first 3 donations. That's $750 extra. Can you believe that? That's crazy. So take these tips, remember it, and don't forget to ask your branch about those referral cards, because they will come in handy. There's these guys that I talk to that's all they do. They get a few here and there every month, but that's still $150 extra on top of their bonuses, on top of their regular donation profits or income, I guess you can say. So yes. Quick and easy, straight to the point. Those are your 3 tips. Be consistent. That will be rolled over to getting your bonuses, and then get your referrals up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If I think of anything else, I will post another video. And as always, leave a like if you like. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. Okay, bye.